Thank you, Bimala and Bharat. എൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ കാണുന്ന എല്ലാ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളും ഒരാളും നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ മിനിജി തോമസ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ഒരു വീഡിയോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് വളരെ വിശേഷപ്പെട്ട അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിമനോഹരമായ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ആയിരിക്കും. വേറൊന്നുമല്ല, എൻ്റെ ഈ തൊപ്പി കണ്ടില്ലേ, എവിടുത്തെ തൊപ്പിയാണെന്ന് അറിയാമല്ലോ, നമ്മുടെ തൊട്ട് അയൽ രാജ്യമായ, അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് കൂടുതൽ പറയാം. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ അക്കോസേട്ടനും നമ്മുടെ റിംബോച്ചയും നമ്മുടെ പോക്രയിലെ ഡോൾബി അമ്മായും ഒക്കെ ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന ഒരു വീഡിയോ ആണിത്. നമ്മുടെ യോധ സിനിമയിലെ ഞാൻ നിൽക്കുന്നത് നേപ്പാളികളുടെ ട്രഡീഷണലായിട്ടൊരു തൊപ്പിയാണ്. അവരുടെ നമ്മുടെ ആത്മാർത്ഥ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളുടെ വീടാണ് നിൽക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നേപ്പാളി ഫുഡ്, ട്രഡീഷണൽ ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഈ വീട്ടിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളായ ബിമലയും ഭരതുമാണ് എൻ്റെ കൂടെ നിൽക്കുന്നത്. അവരെ നമുക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടാം. അപ്പം എൻ്റെ നേപ്പാളി ട്രഡീഷണൽ ഫുഡ് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഭരത് ആൻഡ് ബിമല ആൻഡ് Nixon. And one more kid, isn't he?
He's the eldest one, Nicholson, his name. He went to work.
He'll come back at 8.
8, okay. And Bharat, introduce yourself, please. I know you are Bharat, I know you are Bimala, I know this is Nixon, but for my viewers, can you introduce yourself, please?
It's me, Bharat Tiwari.
Yeah.
I am from Nepal.
Nepal?
I born in Lamjung district, but I work in Pokhara.
Pokhara. You know, I told Bimala about the Yotha movie. That movie, half part of the movie shoot in Nepal. So the Pokhara is one of the main part in the movie. In one of the Andy, she's from
place also.
Pokhara.
Yeah.
It's good. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm Bimala. So
No, Bimala. Because I used to call her Bimala, and she said, "No, my name is Bimala." B, you know. Okay. Yeah.
So my place was in Chittaun, but I got married and moved to Pokhara with Bharat, and we lived there together for like 16, 17 years. Then we came Australia. Yeah, we are here for like 7-8 years.
And what about you, Mister?
My name is Nixon. I was born in Pokhara, and after that I went to India because my mom had to go to Australia without me, so I lived with my grandparents, and I went to Chittaun, and I'm 9 years old.
Very good. What is the other one's name? Nicholson.
Nicholson, he's 16 years old, and he's at work right now.
Okay, that's
so
fine.
he'll come back at 8.
Very good. Like Bimala, actually, she's a Nepali, but the thing is, she's born and brought up in India, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where?
Tamil Nadu.
Where? Which part in Tamil Nadu?
Actually, I was born and brought up in Attur, the place called Attur. Nearby,
I know.
Yeah, nearby like Thoothukudi, Tiruchendur.
Thuthukudi.
Yeah.
Tamil நல்லா பேசுமா?
பேசும் நல்லா தெரியும்.
நல்லா தெரியுமா? Who is your favorite actor in Tamil?
I don't have a favorite actor, but I know like Tamil actors like Vijay, Kamal Haasan, Rajinikanth.
I read in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, so you know we speak to each other in Tamil sometimes, isn't it?
Yeah, we do, yeah.
So what we are going to do today?
We are going to cook Dido.
Yeah.
It's a Dido thali.
Yeah.
So Dido is a main dish. Yeah, that's our traditional dish. Dido is a main dish. Then we will cook like couple of vegetables, and then chutney. It's a tomato chutney, and then mutton curry.
Yeah.
And then black gram lentils.
All right, let's do this then.
Let's do then. Let's go.
These are the two vegetables, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
different vegetables.
Actually, ഇത് നമ്മുടെ പയറാണ്. This is payar, isn't it? What is in Tamil Nadu is called? Is payar?
I'm not sure. I just forgot.
Yeah. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ നീളം പയർ കണ്ടില്ല, നീളം പയറാണ് ഇവരുടെ ഒരു വെജിറ്റബിൾ. So you do like that, isn't it? Just
just break it in a small
pieces.
yeah.
Okay. The same like what we do in Kerala. The
Yeah,
same
same
thing.
like,
you know?
yeah,
It's
yeah.
like melukkupertti, thoran and something like that, you know.
Cooking vegetable is similar, like all are same. India, Kerala, like Nepal, we all cook in the same way.
Same
Only
way.
the spice is bit different.
Oh, okay. I heard that Bharat is a good cook as well, you know.
Yeah, of course he is. He's a good cooker.
See how fast you are doing it. Same thing, you know, we used to do the same.
Yeah.
And this is other
And then
vegetables,
we
isn't it?
mix with the
Potatoes?
Yeah.
Okay.
and tomato.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ വെജിറ്റബിൾസ് ഇവിടെ തയ്യാറായിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. ദിസ് ഈസ് മസ്റ്റാർഡ് ലീവ്സ്, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mustard leaves.
Okay, that's fine. Almost done, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
and what you're going to do with this, the potatoes and
We'll wash it and then we'll start cooking.
This is the chili.
Dried chili,
Yeah.
salt, cumin, coriander powder.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All
We
of
always grind this at home. We never buy from outside. So we mix all the spices
this. Yeah.
like cumin, coriander, dried chili,
Yeah.
cardamom, cloves, and
All
all the
together.
spices and grind it.
Okay.
I'm going to fry all the seeds.
Yeah. What is
And then
that?
Cumin, coriander, and fenugreek,
Oh,
it's all spices.
So we are going to saute the vegetables.
Yeah. And then I'll fry the onion.
Oh, okay.
Then I will add potato. Potato is like, it's all depend on, like if you don't want to add.
Oh, you can
Not
add
like
it.
compulsory.
Oh.
You can add, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Once potato like little bit soft, then I will add the beans.
What did you add after that?
So I add salt, cumin, coriander powder, and then tomato.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's nearly done actually.
Yeah, it's nearly going to be done. We will cook until the tomato gets soft.
Okay.
Then it's nearly done.
So the curry is ready now.
Yeah.
Ready to eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we are going to cook saag, mustard leaves.
So this is mustard. Actually, I've never seen in supermarket here.
No,
So where did you get this from?
We can't find here. Coles or Woolies we can't find. So we only get from Asian groceries in Cranbourne,
Groceries are
Dandenong.
Mustard leaves.
yeah.
Yeah, mustard
Actually, I
leaves.
didn't eat at all.
Even when I was in India, I never seen they are using this mustard leaf. But in Nepal, yeah, this is very famous.
So yeah, in most of the curries you add. I mean, you eat
It's not a curry. It's kind of side dish.
side is a kind of salad.
Yeah,
healthy
salad. Yeah.
Okay.
But we will cook it. We don't eat raw.
Oh, okay.
Like half cooked, not fully cooked.
Cooked. So you're going to do that now.
Yeah. So it's all depend on how you want. Some people used to add all the seed.
Okay, that's why you do it.
Yeah, and then it's matched with mustard leaf also.
Oh, okay. Now I understand now.
Dried
Yeah.
chili.
Because whatever we cook, we put kadugu, you know.
Yeah.
I think it's in Tamil Nadu. Appadi illaya?
I used to do that for my sambar and other curry, not for the mustard.
Mustard,
leaf.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
What is this one?
This is a turmeric powder.
Yeah.
And then some like to add onion and everything, but I'm just cooking simple.
Simple, yeah. We need simple one.
Yeah.
So we don't need too much.
We don't. It's too
Just
much
half
spice.
saute, half
yeah,
cook. And then that's done.
Done. Yeah.
Oh, cool. This one, the show this one, please. Yeah.
I got yellow mustard in there. You can see the yellow mustard,
Yeah.
and then coriander,
Yeah.
and then this is the fenugreek seed.
So you're going to add a little bit in there.
I already add.
Already
this
added.
already.
That's why you add before.
No, not here. I just add fennel. You can add this one also, but fennel
Oh,
also good. Fennel seed also good.
Ginger in there.
Yeah.
Little bit ginger.
Yeah.
And you're done.
Yeah.
Healthy dish.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
It's simple and easy to cook.
Simple and humble.
Yeah.
Mustard leaves is ready. Just little bit half cooked, isn't it?
Yeah.
Half cooked. It's not. It's crunchy. I think. Look like it's very
Yeah,
crunchy
yeah.
and
Crunchy, yeah.
It's 2 dishes already done. After that, we are going to make.
We are going to do
No, we will make chutney,
Chutney.
tomato and coriander chutney first. Then
Okay.
we will do the dido.
Dido, the last one, the main one, isn't
Yeah.
it? Okay. So we are going to cook chutney now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Tomato chutney.
Yeah.
We are going to put the tomatoes,
In oil
oil,
and just cook little bit.
cook little bit,
Garlic.
garlic. This is garlic.
Garlic will be nice in a chutney, tomato and coriander chutney.
Okay. So this is very simple actually.
Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah. And taste good.
Tastes good actually.
Yeah.
Chutney. The tomato is already ready.
Yeah. So first we are going to grind Szechuan, little bit Szechuan.
Okay. There's a pepper, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it pepper?
Yes. It's a Szechuan and pepper are different.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Szechuan is different. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Szechuan.
You can taste it.
This is Szechuan. I think I
Yeah,
thought it's a
Szechuan.
pepper before.
No, it's a Szechuan. It's really yum in chutneys.
Oh, okay. Idiviral. This is called idiviral. What in Tamil Nadu? Same.
Same, yeah. And then
And
chili.
one chili. That's very
Very hot.
Spicy
very hot chili, isn't it?
yeah.
That one. Okay. And then add some salt. Little bit salt. And one again grind together, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then after adding salt, we put some coriander leaves.
Yeah.
The coriander leaf, the smell is different, isn't it?
Yeah.
The delicacy is
Yeah.
extremely different.
Different, yeah.
The cooked tomatoes.
Yeah.
And some garlic, ginger, isn't it?
No, garlic.
Garlic, sorry, garlic. Actually, this is hard work. We think it's easy, but little bit hard work on this. That's it.
Yeah, that's
Then
all.
done.
You just need to check the salt according to your taste.
Ready to eat. Chutney അങ്ങനെ ready ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Lentils is ready.
Actually, this is same like പരിപ്പ് curry, you know?
Yeah.
Same like പരിപ്പ് curry ഇല്ലയാ? ഇത് തമിഴ്നാട് സെയിം തന്നെ.
Yeah.
ഇവിടെ വീഡിയോക്കകത്ത് കാണിച്ചില്ല കാരണം this is they cooked before. It's a kind of dal curry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Dal curry. Already you made the dal, isn't
Already
it?
cooked, but
Before, but now is the final touch, isn't it?
Yeah.
Put some ghee in it. Oil and then some ghee. Why add ghee? Make better or taste better?
taste better.
Taste better. Okay.
Taste better.
Seeds.
All the seeds
Mix
and mix
seeds.
your special thali, isn't it?
Yeah,
The spicy
and
thali,
Yeah, then I will add ginger garlic paste.
ginger garlic paste.
Then I will add the jimbu.
Jimbu,
The
what is
jimbu is the
jimbu?
must. It's a dry, strong onion herbs.
Because I can feel the smell here.
Yeah, you can. This is the one.
This is the jimbu. This
Yeah,
one.
it's really good. Yeah, this one.
This
one here.
Oh, that's the big one box. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is jimbu, isn't
You
it?
can't find anywhere. Only in the Nepali shop.
See, this is jimbu. I never heard about jimbu
No,
before.
it's tastes really
So
good.
you go actually very smelly, you know, like
Yeah.
very
Yeah,
aromatic.
it's a herb smell.
Yeah, okay.
Very
And
strong
you got to
herb
add some the jimbu in it.
Yeah,
So now the paripu is ready now, isn't it?
yeah.
Now one more dish is ready. See, look, that's amazing. Wow. What's called jimbu?
Jimbu.
Jimbu. So you can't find anywhere in the world, only in Himalayas.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Only in the snowy mountains, isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah.
Mutton, isn't it? You need to put the garnish, now,
Garnish,
isn't
yeah,
it?
coriander on the
Coriander,
top.
yeah, okay. So where did you get the mutton from?
From
Dandenong.
Cranbourne,
Pakistan.
Nepali
I
shop.
think this is look like the same way we are doing it. You're doing it, you know, the mutton curry.
Yeah, the same.
Same,
Yeah.
same spices. And already done. That's done. We are going to do the dido, isn't it?
Dido.
I always pronounce wrong.
No, that's
No,
fine.
no,
It's
that's
like
fine,
it's
Yeah. So dido is what kind of flour is it? A millet, isn't it?
Millet.
this is a
flour.
millet flour. Yeah,
So
you
you-
can use buckwheat also. Millet flour. It's all up to you. Once the pan
Pan is-
heat it up, and then we will add some ghee.
Ghee.
It's a butter.
Yeah. Ghee in it.
Yeah.
Once it melt, then
Yeah, then we'll add
You need to
water.
melt.
then
Don't want to melt, just
then you add some
Water.
hot water,
yeah,
boiling water.
yeah.
Pour water. Yeah.
Then we will add the millet flour,
Yeah.
just little by little.
No, just little by little
Yeah.
millet flour.
We need 2 people for this one.
Like two people.
Yeah,
one-
two people.
Otherwise, it's going to be like
Lump, yeah,
lumps
lump will be there.
inside.
Yeah.
Oh, so then now the dido is ready now.
Not ready yet.
Not ready yet. Little bit, little slowly
Yeah.
stir it. You know. Actually, it look like it's very healthy though.
Yeah, it's really healthy.
really
It's good
healthy.
for winter actually. It
Yeah,
keep
that's
your
why I'm going to
body-
ask. And you said before, like it is better food for the winter.
Winter, yeah, not summer, because this flour, when you eat dido, it will keep your body warm. So it's good for winter, not for summertime.
Okay.
Yeah.
The halwa making, you know halwa?
Yeah, halwa. Yeah.
Halwa
yeah.
making.
Yeah.
It's the same process, I think. You know,
Same,
somebody
yeah.
has to be
Yeah.
stir all the time. One has to pour. You know.
You can say halwa also. Like in our country, some people used to say, "Oh, halwa, what are you cooking?" "Oh, I'm cooking halwa."
Oh, is
It's
it?
the same like that.
Yeah, I think the same process.
Yeah, same process.
Actually, this is the hardest one. You know. Actually, Bimala and Bharat was doing it for stirring it for how long for? Actually, more than 20 minutes now. You know, and he's still not done yet. See, look, still. But the only thing is, I can't see any lumps. That means the good one. Good one. you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and Bimala and Bharat, thank you very much. Almost our food is done, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we are going to plate them.
Yeah.
The presentation is the most important. You know, we used to call thali meals in Kerala, you know. Same like you got thali. So we are going to put the dido in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very hard.
Going to put the dido in the middle.
Yeah.
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 And we are plating up for 2, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then we are going to put some veggies.
Yeah. And mustard leaves.
Mustard leaves. We cooked. Mustard leaves. And
Long beans.
long beans.
Vegetable.
Yeah. On the side. And then we are going to put some chutney
Yeah.
on the side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit on the side. Oh, lentils in that plate.
Yeah.
In that
the
one.
Little one. Yeah.
Okay. And then the main dish is the
Yeah,
mutton curry.
mutton
Isn't it?
curry.
The mutton is a must, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah. So normally when you go to restaurant, you get this kind of food like lentils and then mutton. But when we cook at home, we either go with the lentils or just the mutton.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is mutton. This is lentil. This is dido made with millet. This is beans curry. Beans, isn't it?
Yeah, beans, long
Beans, long beans. This is mustard.
mustard leaves.
Mustard leaves. This is the chutney.
Yeah.
So the well presented, and thank you so much. Which curry goes with these, and like
Yeah, doesn't matter.
doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, but you have to take the dido in a hand and you dip it.
Oh,
dip
that's
it
what I
on-
want to know. Yeah, that's what I want to
Dip it
know.
and eat. Yeah.
So how to you take it by hand, little
Yeah.
bit?
This one,
So yeah.
I use my hand.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Like this.
Yeah. Take it and dip it.
Yeah.
And like that. How is it? How is your wife cooking? You both cooked.
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
can eat it 2.
Okay.
Just swallow.
Swallow, yeah.
So I will. So now I will taste myself. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to taste it now. So I think take lightly because see this is a kind of halwa. You know halwa. It's nothing in my hand. Look. That means that made it very good way. Put something in the lentil. Yeah. And some in the chutney. And eat like that. Wow, that's very nice actually,
Yeah, you don't need to chew. There you can swallow it.
It's like it is actually melting in the mouth. Actually, one of the best dish,
Yeah.
Nepali dish. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bimala and Bharat, and thank you for inviting me in your house.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you for coming and
Yeah.
making the video.
Yeah.
Our video.
Yeah.
Really
Thank you so
good.
much because people never seen, what is
Yeah,
the traditional
no, yeah.
food and all. So
Yeah,
thank
we
you.
are happy to introduce our traditional food to everyone.
Yeah.
താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഡിഡോ കഴിച്ചേക്കാം നല്ല മനോഹരമായ ഫുഡ്. അപ്പം അവർക്കൊരു നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് ഇന്നത്തെ മനോഹരമായ നമ്മുടെ റിംബോച്ചെ നമ്മുടെ അക്വസോട്ടിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത നല്ലൊരു വീഡിയോ കാണുമ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം. 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 താങ്ക് യു. Thank you, Bimala and Bharat.